Sulit. This is one of the words that you want to hear when you're looking for a gadget like a smartphone. As much as possible, you want something that will give you the most bang for your buck, especially if you're on a budget. Sulit also means that even though you're buying something at a low price, it doesn't fall short on quality. In this case, you need to be looking out for something that we call quality sulit. The good news is, we have that one phone that fits the description perfectly. Hi guys, this is Nico of Yugatech, and the smartphone we're talking about is the Narzo 50i Prime. Join us to find out why this is quality sulit and why it's a game changer in the affordable smartphone market. Let's start with quality. Although affordable, the Narzo 50i Prime feels well made and has a modern look to it. It features this 8.5mm slim design with flat sides and rounded corners, which you usually find in premium smartphones. And even though it has a large battery, it's light at 182 grams thanks to its high-quality polycarbonate body. Not only that, it has this vertical stripe design at the back that shows off a crisscross effect when the light hits it. It also provides this subtle texture that adds grip and makes you want to touch it even more. And by the way, this comes in dark blue and mint green colors, so you can pick one that best fits your personality. Now let's look at the engine under the hood. The Narzo 50i Prime is equipped with a Unisoc T612. It's a chip manufactured at TSMC and 12nm process, sporting an octa-core CPU clocked at 1.8 GHz and a Mali G57 GPU. It's a good chipset for a budget smartphone, reaching AnTuTu scores of 208K, performing better than the Helio G35 chipset found in most entry-level devices with a score of 107K. This means that the Narzo 50i Prime is capable of running its features smoothly. The popular social media, streaming, and gaming apps such as Mobile Legends, Call of Duty, and Pokemon Go. Are you going to use your smartphone for watching videos or playing games? That's most likely. Then if that's the case, you need a large screen. Good thing the Narzo 50i Prime has a 6.5-inch display with a screen-to-body ratio of 88.7% for immersive viewing. It also features an HD Plus resolution, supports 16.7 million colors, 400 nits of brightness, and an IPS panel for accurate colors and wide viewing angles. If you have this phone, you can easily enjoy videos on YouTube, Netflix, or other streaming channels. As an added bonus, the overall build also complements the large display because it's very light at only 180 grams, making it easy to hold for prolonged periods when binge-watching your favorites. If you're asking how the Narzo 50i Prime will handle multitasking and storage of media files, well, it's equipped with 3GB of RAM, which is more than enough to take care of multiple apps without slowing down. The 32GB UFS 2.2 storage, on the other hand, is fast, thanks to the read and write booster, and can accommodate tons of apps. But if you're thinking of expanding it, you don't have to worry, as you can use up to 1TB microSD cards via its dedicated slot. This level of expandability up to 1TB is uncommon for its price segment, allowing you to store all your files there like photos and videos, allowing you to free up more space from the internal storage. Most budget smartphones in this price range run Android Go versions, which is like a lighter version of Android. In the case of the Narzo 50i Prime, it uses its own Realme UI R Edition, which Realme says is running on a fuller version of Android 11. The optimizations implemented in this UI give it a much snappier response compared to other smartphones in this class. Furthermore, it is also designed to be power efficient, which helps the massive 5000 mAh battery to last even longer. Even at just 5% power, just activate the ultra saving mode and you'll be able to get 2.3 hours worth of calls or 4.1 hours worth of streaming on Spotify. Now let's take a look at the price. The Narzo 50i Prime with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of storage is now priced at 3,999 pesos from its original SRP of 4,999 pesos. And with its price that low and more affordable, that's just mind-blowing. But although it's a budget smartphone, the specs and features are better than most smartphones within the same price range. These things make Narzo 50i Prime one of the most bang-for-your-buck smartphones, or as we'd like to call it, quality sulit. So what do you think about the Narzo 50i Prime? Is this something that interests you, or does it make you want to buy it? Let us know down below in the comments. Alright, don't forget to smash a like and hit that notification bell to be alerted of all our next uploads. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok, or visit our website at yugatech.com for more tech news and reviews. Once again, this is Nico of Yugatech, and thank you for watching.